it's your boy K.BONGSY. I'm back with another video. In this video we will be talking about the law. I will be answering 5 questions to you. Before we go any further, I would like you to hit the subscribe button below and show some love. The first question is, what is the law? The second question is, what is the history of our law? The third question is, where to find law? The fourth question is, how can you apply law in company law? And the fifth question is, how to enforce law. What is law? Law are norms, rules, principles that have been prescribed to us by our leaders to regulate human society. We have different kinds of laws. For example, a family has laws, soccer has laws. An example of a family that is a law is when a parent tells his child that if you come home after 5 then you are late, meaning coming home after 5 is prohibited from that family, and that is example of the law. But that example of the law applies only to that particular family. We also have the law of the state, the legal system. Those are the laws that applies throughout the country. So that is the law we're gonna be talking about today. Our law can be traced back from 1655 when John van Riebeeck came in Cape Town with his crew. They saw South Africa as a land with no rules, so they came with their rules and made those rules effective in our country, and those rules eventually became foundation of our law, and they became some kind of common law. Where to find law? This means what are the sources of law? We have case law, we have common law, we have African customary law, and we have legislation law. How to use law in company law? Basically this means how law applies to your company or to companies or businesses that you might identify. So basically what this means is that we have to explain how does law relates to your company. For example, if you have a company. So according to the 4 sources of our law, we have legislation law. Under legislation law, we have Company Act. And the Company Act applies to your company or to companies or businesses that you might identify.